Hello again, Pietro here. Got a little box from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. It's a tracker. I'm a little tired, a little wired. Let's see. Here goes nothing. It's a Hail View. Halo. Wow, this reminds me of another gadget that I tested last year and all of this year. The Halo Band. So this is version 1.0, but I lost the tracker, the little bevel device. I still have the charging cable. I still have the original box. It looks like that. I'll throw a photo of me wearing it on the screen, but it's a lot like Whoop, but different. And one thing that really bothered me about this original Halo Band is that it did not have a screen. So it would be like wearing an Apple Watch that never turned on. And if you wanted to know any stats or even the time of day, you'd have to break out your phone, and then you'd open up the app and click Amazon Halo, and then it would show all your stats. Anyway, so all my stats are still in there. The app has updated, and you have your data, you have your sleep, you have your movement. And what was unique about the Halo is that it had a live heart rate and a bunch of other cool stuff that we'll talk about later. So the point of this video is to talk about this bad boy, which is the newer version of the Halo Band, and it has a screen. They've made enhancements on movement, activity, workout tracking. It's swim-proof, up to 7 days of battery life. Now, the Halo Band, you could wear swimming as well. And it also is more than a band because it comes with a membership that you pay for. I pull on this little thing right here. Yep, we just pull on that little, yep, there we go. Oh. That wasn't too bad. That little thing lifts up. Ah, wake up. Welcome to Halo. Nice packaging. Ooh, the band is skinny. Wow, that is really on there. I think this is, well, it's green something. Nice little sticker there. Cool. So this has a quick release band. Very similar to the Fitbit Charge series. Oh, okay, so it just kind of, wow, that's really in there. Okay, maybe not a quick release. More like, I'll read the manual. So there's the sensors, no sticker. Looks like it has, is it a reset button? I like the design, very simple, no logos, so you're not advertising for Amazon. Let's see what else is in the box. It's what's inside that counts and charges your Halo View. Oh, thanks. Okay, they've changed the charger. I'll do a full comparison later. USB-A, I understand. And actually that's quite fortuitous because I can use my cool Android charger. So this is a little clamper, also similar to Fitbit and Garmin chargers over the years. Let's see. Okay, that's, am I doing it wrong? Ah, there we go. So there's little grooves right there, and there's little grooves right there. And you line those up, and it clamps fully around. Plug it in, and wait for it. Hello, or Halo. Not to be confused with the Xbox video game. Last sync 53 days ago. Yeah, I lost that thing a while back. So if we go to settings, health data, Halo Band, profile. One would think that you could just do both. Hold on a sec. Let me read this. So also in here is small steps, big goals. Oh, it comes with stickers. Let's get this health party started. Enable Bluetooth. We have the sensor, charger. Oh, that is a home button. That's cool. So the original Halo had a home hardware button. This more of his haptic feedback, the band, the sensors, and the charger. Plug Halo in, download Amazon Halo back. Swipes through, okay, discover. What about connecting your band? So right off the bat, or right out of the box, not too crazy about the cradle. It's okay. I like it better than the full clamshell that they had. It's kind of a little wonky. And it's weird that it doesn't show charging. Okay, I'll let this charge and look up some stuff. See you soon. Okay, so did some reading and it turned out that I made a mistake. Looks like you can't have two Halo devices paired to the same account, and I don't want to create a whole new account, so I'm just gonna have to delete my old Halo, and I'll show you how to do that right now. But meanwhile, for the last hour, while I was watching the Christmas movie Elf with the family, great movie, way to go Will Ferrell, top notch, it's fully charged. Let's switch the view. Okay, so we have all, oh, gotta close that knife. And no, Kershaw is not a sponsor, but I do like them. Thanks for the knife. Thanks for the knife. Thanks for the knife, Ryan. So we can put that back in the box. And I did some research. The membership, I swear it was $6, but it's gone down in price. It is only $3.99, so that's pretty good. The device was retailing for $99. I pre-ordered it. It's on sale for $79, but I got it for $59, so not that bad. After you've downloaded the app, it's going to be a little different for you if you're new. So what I'm going to do is right here, so it says band not connected, I'm going to deregister the band. So when you first log in, if you have already a current one, you go to settings, you're going to go to device, choose Halo band, and it'll show last synced. Hopefully it was sooner than 50 days ago. Deregister band, remove Halo band from your account and sign out. Your data will continue to be stored, etc., etc. Remove and sign out. Please wait. Halo. So now this is what you'd see if you're a new member. Set up your band. Oh, I have to log in again? All right, got signed in. It's gonna have you choose, I logged in with my Amazon account. Then it has you put your birth date, your height. I'm currently weighing 167. Next. Enter the 6-digit verification code we just sent you. So you verify that, and then it says which one you're doing. I'm gonna choose Halo View. Plug it in, yep, did that. Preparing the Halo app will begin automatically. Can take up to 1 minute. Searching for device. So let's set that down. Ah, there we go. Select an accessory. And connecting. Device paired. Okay, that was super easy. That was nice. Welcome to the membership. As a Halo member, you have full access, etc., etc. Halo View includes 12 months of membership. Sweet. So I just saved $50 because I don't have to pay anything for the first year. After 12 months, your membership will automatically renew along with your Amazon stuff. Blah, 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 blah. And it's updating band. Come on, focus. I am filming on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Sleep tight with night mode. Go to settings in the Halo View and enable night mode to reduce screen brightness. Cool. Updating your view. Okay, you know, it'd be really fun to just watch this, but... So if we compare it to the Fitbit Charge 4, it's not quite as tall. Well, really close. It's not as wide. The screen's color. Oh, update complete. Nice. Finish setup in the app. Updating your view, installing updates. And there we go. Allow notifications. Allow. I'm going to wear it on my left. Finishing setup. Uploading profile. Selling your soul to Amazon.com. You're all set. Whoa, that is one tall woman. Done. Your daily health. Your resting heart rate is important? Really? I did not know that. Enable tone for real time. Ooh, it still has voice analysis. Nice. Data. Says it's at 97%. So if I go to settings, last sync, okay, very similar. And I can download my health data. It's automatically backing up to the cloud. You can delete your tone data, movement data, all that fun stuff. So you can also do all these activities or discover there. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is relearn the app because I haven't used it in a few weeks. Cool. Insight, see your resting heart rate, which I don't have yet, but I will because there's the green light. And then I can compare the data to Fitbit. So let's check out the display. So there's the home button. Okay, let's take this off. I'll probably just wear this on my other wrist because that looks kind of weird to wear two of them. Night mode, very cool. Night mode schedule. We'll do 9 p.m. and finish at 7 a.m. That sounds good. Brightness low, notifications off, raise to wake off. Very nice. Good job, Amazon. Not all trackers do that. Heart rate info, blood oxygen. Start. Ooh, there's that Christmas red. So it has SpO2 built in. The Amazon Halo, the original one, did not have that. That is really bright. Hopefully this works. Wait for it. Weak signal. See tips. Sit with arm at chest, halo, try again. Okay, I just got a motion air. So we're gonna try that again. So we'll just chill here. And a lot of sensors actually require this. They want you to be really, really still and they do not want you to move whatsoever. Shh, be very quiet. My blood oxygen is being tracked, okay? Shh, be still. I can't see the watch, can you? Motion air again. So I like the bright light. My wrist size is about a 7 3/4, 7.5. And I ordered the medium large. I'm thinking I should have ordered the medium small. Or small medium. Weak signal. All right, well, when in doubt. Okay, there's no cover on there. So we'll clean the sensors. Ooh, those are bright, aren't they? Okay, and I'm not wearing a bunch of cologne or soap. So I'm gonna put it on the lowest strap. So now this is as tight as it goes on me. And we'll check it again. Motion air. I wonder if I'm gonna have to shave my arms. I don't know how my wife's gonna feel about that. I guess I could ask Santa for the Lawnmower 3000, you know, the one that you see on Facebook almost every hour. Weak signal. All right, well, that's not working. We'll try that later. But hey, it has SpO2. Okay, we're gonna last time. Tighten the band and slide towards elbow for a snug fit. Okay, it is snug. Start. Shh, quiet. Quiet on set. The anticipation is riveting. Weak signal. Well, hopefully they have a fix out for that soon. That is all I have for today. Just a quick look and an unboxing and setup for this new gadget by Halo View. Yeah, so far I like it. You can barely feel it. I am gonna miss the woven band that they had on the first one. I just thought it was really comfortable, and there's that little bit of flex similar to my Apple Watch band, but you know, c'est la vie, silicone. Last year when they first launched the Amazon Halo, they released more bands, so I'm guessing that is what they're going to do. So maybe for Valentine's Day. But I will do a follow-up video really soon. I like that you can do different watch faces. I like that the device on my wrist can tell the time, unlike the original Halo band. I like the packaging. I like the smaller box. And it does work with both iPhone and Android. Well, thank you so much for watching, and pithy comments, type those down below and I'll make a note of those and write them down. But I'm going to sleep with this and go work out. I'm going to try to go for a run and a swim with it so we can see the workout details, and we can compare those to Fitbit and Apple and possibly Garmin and probably one of my Oura rings, and we'll go from there. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to run farther to go further in life. But even more so, let's all just be kind to one another. Happy holidays, and let the credits roll for the Paramount Kid. See you later. Goodbye.